Hey, shopkeepers and do-it-yourselfers out there in YouTube land. Got a 2000 Chevy truck. Going to replace the driver's side door, interior door release. And you got to figure out how to get this off. Up in here between the two pieces, there's a little tab that you push up to release the lock, and it'll come back. And then there's one here and one there. I'm going to kind of need both hands. When you get the top one, you see it right there, just to the right of my finger. You just reach back in there and push up on it, and then you can pull back, and then you keep pressure on it, and then you get the one down here on the right. And with that pressure on it, all I had to do was touch it, and it popped right off. So get the one on the bottom. You can see right there between those two notches is where we're going to go. And it come right off. You see the tab, you got to push up 1, 2, 3 of them, and it comes right off. And to get that off, then we got the manual door crank. So you got to opposite the handle, you got to pry. You're gonna see it that way. Go in between that plastic piece there, and you see that clip. Just get a hook on there and pull it out, and then watch where it goes. It might go flying, and then just slap it back in there, because you're going to need to reuse it. But if you can't find it, then they sell them down at the parts store. There's 2 screws down here in the pocket pull. You're going to have to get all of the chewing gum and the cigarette ashes and dirt and all that stuff out of there. Well, that was broke, no doubt. That didn't have to come off, but this goes up underneath that. And I don't believe there is any screws in here. The rest is all plastic plugs. Best start down here in the corner and use you a pretty good straight pry to get up in there and snap that out. These plastic lugs that go in there, they hold pretty tight, dadgummit. Once you get it out, get all of them out all the way around, then the door panel lifts straight up. Got the front corner of it loose. Get the back. There it went. Well, we had one of them that broke. All the others, they all came out. Just that one up here in the front. Because we don't have the power windows and power door locks, we don't have to worry about any wire harness on this door panel. The speaker stays in the door. Then we got rivets that we got to cut out, grind off to take this door release off. I just take my die grinder with a roll lock disc, grind the head off that rivet. There's only one rivet that holds it on. And let's see. Get in there and slide it forward. Slide it forward to come off of that rear notch and this front notch, and then you can drop it down. And then you kind of got to raise it up because your doodads here go down underneath. Your shark fin goes underneath, and your door release pull snaps down onto that one, and then your lock actuator rod snaps onto that one. These are not S-curve. They don't go on like that and then twist in. They just snap into place over a kind of like an impregnated end. Yeah, right there's your lock rod, and then your door pull actuator's right there. But that's how you do it. than your new one. I'm going to go down in there like this after you get your connector rods on there. And kind of push up and slide to the rear to lock it in place. And put one, oh, I got to take the rivet out. Put the rivet in. You could use a, I don't know if a 1/4 inch, probably 1/4 inch won't fit in there. You might could use a screw, but I'm going to find a rivet to put in there. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. Comment if you will.